So from a breeding perspective, what we do is to focus on a broad breeding goal that include a wide range of traits that are related to biological efficiency, of course, that relates to output, but also to reproductive fitness, and to robustness and adaptability, as I mentioned before, but crucially to health and welfare as well. So this approach in bringing all these different group of traits together allow us to really move them in the desired direction in an holistic way. The key challenge that we have as breeders is breeding for sustainable meat production. That is the biggest challenge. And that sustainability aspect of breeding has several facets. The first one, of course, is contributing to the meat production with minimizing or reducing as much as possible carbon emissions or the carbon footprint of the industry, but also the agricultural footprint, right? So using, having a rational use of the agricultural resource. So in that context, feed conversion rate, or the ratio of feed to meat, is essential. That is the main driver. So that would be the first angle to sustainability. The second angle to sustainability is the management of antagonistic traits. So for example, you have the antagonism between production and welfare, and that welfare can be, for example, exemplified as leg health in poultry, or cardiovascular function. There is an antagonistic relationship between the two of them. So part of that sustainability is for us breeders to manage that antagonism and make sure that while we're giving the future genotypes more higher genetic potential for biological efficiency, that comes together with a very strong welfare-related traits in terms of, for example, skeletal strength and cardiovascular function. So the other element of that, of that sustainability in breeding, is having a broad enough genetic resource, and that is different populations. So now we're talking about between variation, between population variation, but also within population variation. So we manage that variation so we can achieve that genetic progress on a long-term basis.